Now we are going to observe what is the range of trigonometric ratios. Range of trigonometric ratios. So range of trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So what is the range? We know that already tabular form, sin 0 value 0, sin 30 value 1 by 2, sin 45 value 1 by root 2, like that. So let me consider an x-axis and y-axis. So we are going to consider on x-axis, so on y-axis is a sin value, that is sin theta, y is equals to sin theta, on x-axis is equals to x is equals to theta. So as we know already, sin 0 is equals to 0 degrees, sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2 value is, so sin 45 is equals to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equals to, so sin 90 is equals to 1. So these are the values we have to find. Okay, so next, so from this, so these values, so for 0 degrees and 30 degrees we are going to consider this equals to values. So this is, we can take as ordered pairs. So first value represents theta, second value represents sin theta. So first value represents theta, second value represents theta. So theta is nothing but angle, sin theta is nothing but value. So which I am going to consider theta on x-axis and sin theta on y-axis. How the graph of sine wave, sine trigonometric ratio, how to see that? 0. So this is a 0 and 0. So first value is 0 to 0. So this is the point. And next you have to consider this is 0 and you can take it as 1. So how the values will be like this, you have to check. So now 30 degrees, for 30 degrees it is x-axis 30 degrees, we have to consider 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees, so you have to take it as 60 degrees, and this is 90 degrees, so 90 degrees. Then after that 30, 60, 90, so 30 we are going to consider on scale. So next is 120 degrees, so next is 150 degrees, next is 180 degrees, like that you have to consider. So on x-axis scale will be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, each value will be 30 degrees. Then on y-axis I am taking is 1 here, and this is minus 1 here. So this is half, 1 by 2, this is also half, minus half here. Okay, minus half here. So now the values we can see. So 1 by root 2 value how much? So 1 by root 2 and 1 root 3 by 2 value how much we are going to consider now. So 0, 0. So you can take sin 0 value, this is 0, sin 0 value 0. Sin 30 1 by 2, sin 30 value I am taken as 1 by 2, this is sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 45, so in middle this is 45 degrees will be. So 45, sin 45 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 is equal 0.7 something. So you can take it as 0.7 value, 1 by root 2. Okay, sin 60 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is nothing but sin 3 here, root 3 by 2. Sin 91, so this is exactly 1, sin 90 is 1. Okay, now the wave is like this, this is from 0 to 1 it is increases, okay. So whereas next after that it will be decreases to 180, after that it is decreases to 180 sine. Okay, 180 degrees. So why it is decreases? So we know already. So for 0 degrees it is sine wave, and for 90 degrees it will becomes here. So again 180 degrees it becomes 0. So like that it will come. Next after that, so it is decreases up to -1. So -1. Now the sine wave will be, so how the sine wave will becomes? Sine wave will becomes, so from 1 to -1 it is decreases and increases. So 1 to -1, this is all same values. So this is 1 to minus 1, it is decreases and increases. This is 180 degrees and this is 90 degrees, and again it is 360 degrees. 360 degrees, one complete cycle will be completed. One complete cycle will be completed up to 360 degrees. So whatever the range of sine will be minus 1 to plus 1. The range of sine will be minus 1 to plus 1. So the range of sine will be minus 1 to plus 1. So now how the range will be considered? The range of sine value is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. That is minus 1 and plus 1. You can consider it as sine theta modulus is less than or equals to plus 1, is less than or equals to 1. So what it indicates that minus 1 less than or equals to sine theta less than or equals to 1. This is called range of sine theta. This is called range of sine theta. Then coming to cos theta, what is the range of cos theta? Is same as sine theta. Sine theta is cos theta range. The cos theta value also the same as sine theta, because it is also minus 1 to plus 1. So the range of cos theta. So the range of cos theta is also lies minus 1 and plus 1. That means it indicates that modulus of cos theta is less than or equals to 1. So that means minus 1 less than or equals to cos theta less than or equals to plus 1. So this is called minimum value minus 1, maximum value plus 1. So now coming to tan theta. So it is tan theta. How the tan theta will be? So we know that tan 0 degrees is 0. Tan 45 degrees is 1. Tan 45 degrees is equals to, suppose you can take 1. This is for tan 45. Tan 90 will becomes infinite. So it is up to infinite range. Infinite means we cannot imagine for 90 degrees. It's 45 degrees. Again from there it is 180 degrees is 0. That means it is increases to infinity and it is decreases to 0, and further it is decreases to minus infinity, further it is coming to 0. That means it is plus infinity to minus infinity, plus infinity to minus infinity, it is going on. That means the range, tan range will be lies in minus infinity to plus infinity, That is, we can say minus infinity less than tan theta less than plus infinity. So coming to cot also same. Cot theta also same. Minus infinity to less than cot theta less than plus infinity. This is about sine range and cos range and tan range and cot range. Coming to secant. So secant range will be secant and cosecant. So what is the range of secant and cosecant? The range of secant theta does not lies. So secant theta does not lies minus 1 and plus 1. So that means let you consider on x-axis this is minus 1 value, 0 value, plus 1 value. So secant theta will be less than minus 1 and greater than plus 1, this secant theta. That means what we can consider, modulus of secant theta is greater than 1. So greater than 1. When it is greater than 1, it is minus 1. So secant theta is less than minus 1. That is minus 2, minus 3 values will come up to infinity. Okay, and secant theta will be greater than plus 1, and secant theta will be greater than plus 1. So this is about range of secant theta. Secant theta does not lies between minus 1 and 1. Secant theta does not lies between minus 1 and 1. So it will be 1 and plus 1. So and it is going to increase either this side or that side. It is decreasing side and it is increasing side. So in middle gap will be for secant theta. Then coming to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta also same. Modulus of cosec theta is greater than or equals to 1. So it means that what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value. So minima and maxima is nothing but range of the trigonometric values. So based on the trigonometric table, so we are going to verify the range of the trigonometric ratios, the range of the trigonometric